2018 Mercedes-Benz SLC-Class Review. The Mercedes-Benz SLC Roadster serves a blend of performance, refinement, luxury and top-down fun. The current generation from the SLC has undergone many changes since its introduction this year. Back then, it absolutely was called the SLK and might be outfitted having a hot rod V8. That V8 has stopped being around. Even so, the core appeal in the 2018 Mercedes-Benz SLC is identical. It serves as a compact version on the brand's flagship convertible SL, offering similar design and prestige for less money. The SLC's two trim levels are defined by the three engines, a 4-cylinder plus a more powerful V6. Though the bigger engine is included with sportier equipment, both SLCs provide same options. Determining what's good for you just will depend on how fast you intend to go. Overall, the 2018 SLC's luxury focus helps distinguish it in the rest. It's the only one using a convertible hardtop, for example. But all alike, it's probably worth looking over rivals, for example the all-wheel drive Audi TT, the muscular Chevrolet Corvette, along with the sporty Porsche 718 Boxster. What's new? The 2018 Mercedes-Benz SLC is actually unchanged. If you crave thrilling acceleration, the AMG SLC 43's 362 horsepower is often a necessity. But most men and women be quite happy with the standard SLC 300. No matter the engine you select, it's worth taking the initiative to the Premium 2 package for the navigation, superior phone integration, upgraded stereo, heated seats, blind spot monitoring, air-scarf neck level home heating, keyless entry, and dual-zone climate control. Magic Sky Control can be another must-have for blocking out sunshine through the glass roof. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz SLC convertible comes in two trim levels which can be differentiated by their engines. The SLC 300 includes a turbocharged 4-cylinder, whilst the sporting AMG SLC 43 comes with a powerful turbo V6. The latter also includes more standard equipment and performance-oriented features including upgraded brakes and paddle shifters. Both cars employ a 9-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive and provide you with the same option packages. The SLC 300 employs a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 241 horsepower, 273 pound-feet of torque. Standard features incorporate a power-retractable hardtop which has a fixed glass roof panel, 17-inch alloy wheels, xenon headlights, Bluetooth, power-adjustable seats with memory function, simulated leather upholstery, a rear-view camera, a 7-inch infotainment display, with an 8-speaker head unit with HD radio. Safety features include integrated roll bars along with a forward collision alert and mitigation system. Consider one of three premium packages. The first brings an aftermarket Harman Kardon audio system, heated seats, keyless ignition and entry, and blind spot monitoring. It also includes Mercedes' air-scarf system, which blows heat around your neck through the seat for drop-top driving on cool days. The Premium 2 package incorporates the aforementioned features and adds navigation, LED headlights, dual-zone climate control, and support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Premium 3 package brings driver assistance features, for example adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The AMG SLC 43 derives its name, somehow, looking at the twin-turbo 3.0-litre V6 362 horsepower, 384 lb-ft of torque. Along which has a more potent engine, this trim level comes standard together with the Premium 1 package. Due to its sporty nature, the SLC 43 boasts 18-inch wheels, cross-drilled brake rotors, a sports activity exhaust system, a lead aligned with simulated suede, and paddle shifters. Aside in the Premium 2 and 3 packages described above, the SLC-43 can be available together with the AMG handling package that contributes a limit slip differential, a hobby-tuned suspension, a controls with synthetic suede inserts, with an IWC analog clock. Driving. We've found previous versions on this car to become reasonably athletic and quite enjoyable when on off-road turns. Yet the ride really should be smooth and composed, too. Most roadsters can't marry both characteristics harmoniously. Orgasm is very much in keeping with all the brand's family values. Comfort. You can still expect an enjoyable experience from your Mercedes, with optional features, for instance heated seats, a variable suspension, plus the air scarf system, which blows warm air through the seat on cold days. Interior. The SLC's interior displays the high-quality appear and feel you expect coming from a Mercedes. It can feel just a little intimate, that is because it's a lesser vehicle. The glass roof lets bright day even when you wouldn't like it to, requiring the optional Magic Sky control. Utility. You can't expect much trunk space coming from a hardtop convertible. Even so, the SLC offers 10.1 cubic feet with all the roof up and 6.4 cubic feet from it folded. Though tight, that's still enough to fit weekend luggage. Technology. Many Mercedes designs have received larger, more feature-rich entertainment systems, however the SLC sticks using a 7-inch display. Available Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support are welcome additions.